Hey guys, quick update. Tech Bravo coming to you from the global headquarters of Bravo Technologies. So I started doing the video of Odin installing the tube, and the video cut off on me after a little while. So I'm going to have to piece it together. But I've got the tube in. As you can see, the case on Odin is about that much shorter, 4 or 5 inches shorter than Cyclops. Cyclops is 32 inches, I believe, and this one is 28. So I have a little bit of overhang here. I looked on Light Object and Amazon, and it was a Light Object, and they make an extension, but it's longer. It's like 8 inches long or something. And this thing's portable. It's on wheels. It's going to be self-contained. I don't want something that long sticking out when it doesn't have to be. I haven't found another solution. Another thing with the Light Object one, the screw holes are in the corners of each side. These are centered on each side, so that's a little bit different. I do not want to 3D print one, not with this thing being loaded up into cars and stuff. I want something substantial there that I can bolt on and be relatively certain that it'll take a pretty good lick before it fails. If I have to, I'll take this plate to a fabricator and have them custom make me a piece. But if you guys have any ideas on where I can get something for this specific purpose, only about 5 inches of an extension with the centered holes, and I don't really care about the holes. I can re-drill the holes. I'm not worried about that part. But I just want a shorter one. If you know where to get one, that's fine. I'm going to set up the big camera and continue on with the videos. Got the power supply in. I'm going to wire up plumb up the water sensor. Got the new tubing on there, that 8x12, the good stuff. This original stuff is flimsy. I don't like it. Anyway, Tech Bravo coming to you from the headquarters, and I'm out.